welcome to Fun Toy World. Today we're gonna be reviewing this funny and cute Disney Frozen singing Olaf plush character. So let's get started. As you can see, Olaf is a pretty good size. He comes with 3 buttons, very cute, and his arms, and of course he has a cane so he can dance the night away. He has his beautiful blue eyes, and he also comes with this beautiful hat because he's ready for the summer. And also he has a beautiful orange nose that, as you can see, is a carrot. And of course, Olaf is waiting for some singing. Okay everyone, let's see what the singing and talking Olaf can do.
I gotta say, I still like it. Oh, I don't know why, but I always love the idea of summer and sun and oh, it's hot. Some people are worth melting for. Hi, everyone. I'm Olaf, and I like warm hugs.
Thank you for watching, friends, and don't forget that summer is fun. Bye-bye. See you next time. Welcome to
Fun Toy World.
Today we're gonna do some surprise eggs for Peppa. So what's the magic word?